Live from ABC 7, this is Eyewitness News in high definition.
New at 5, troubling allegations against a local cemetery and how it treats those who are buried there. Several families have now joined a class action lawsuit. This lawsuit targets Eden Memorial Park in Mission Hills. It's one of the largest cemeteries in the Los Angeles area. Eyewitness News reporter Carlos Granda is there live now with details of the lawsuit and why more families may join in. Carlos.
Well, these are some morbid allegations that this cemetery intentionally damaged existing vaults and then moved the remains so they were able to squeeze more burial plots and get more profits. They say that sometimes, according to these attorneys, that these remains were dumped like trash. In this class action lawsuit, one of the attorneys says it's simply a case of profits over people, and they allege that this has been going on for at least 10 years.
My parents are buried literally right off of this cul-de-sac.
Robert Scott told me he buried his father and mother at Eden Memorial Park, hoping they would be in peace. He doesn't know if their graves are affected, but he's angry just thinking about it.
My parents are both Holocaust survivors, so the idea of human bones, remains being dumped like trash is beyond comprehension.
The lawsuit claims the cemetery has added so many new graves, they're building them too close to each other. So close, in fact, they say existing vaults would tear open and bones spill out.
Once this occurred, the groundskeepers and others at Eden Memorial Park Cemetery were instructed to remove this debris and to remove these bones and to either dump them in another location of the cemetery or to throw them in a dumpster.
Avenatti says the remains were often dumped in the northeast corner of the cemetery and new plots were built on top of those remains. He says not only was it intentional, Eden Park tried to keep it quiet.
The company repeatedly told the employees that they would lose their job if they brought this to light.
Attorneys say it happened before at a cemetery in West Palm Beach called Menorah Gardens. It's owned by the same company that owns Eden Memorial Park. They claim bodies were thrown into a swamp behind the cemetery. In that case, the company, SCI, agreed to a $100 million settlement. The company today issued this statement. While very salacious, these allegations are just that, allegations. We regret that this situation is being sensationalized, and we're very sorry the families involved are going through this. Eden Memorial conducts extensive training with its employees, and we support that with strict policies and procedures. But that still leaves doubt for Sharon Olson. She told me her mother is buried here. Her father, who is still alive, wanted to be buried next to her.
It's hideous, and I don't want my mom to be there. I called my brother and I said, just the whole idea, even if nothing happened, but how do we know?
And the owners of Eden Memorial Park say they welcome family members who are concerned to come here. They want to talk to them, but they say they will not talk to the media on camera. They do not want to fight this case in the media. They say they're ready to fight these allegations in court. Reporting live from Mission Hills, I'm Carlos Granda, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Carlos, thank you.